Assalamualaikum. My name is Tiba Marula and today my topic is about air pollution. So, most forms of air pollution are caused by a chemical reaction called combustion where oxygen reacts with a fuel to release energy. For example, products particular sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, etc. etc. And primary pollutants are directly released into air from the sources and secondary pollutants are formed when primary pollutants are react with the gases in the atmosphere. And what is atmosphere? Combustion of one layer. Thermosphere blocks harmful radiation from the sun. The mesosphere is the level meteors and asteroids burn up as they approach Earth. And the stratosphere has a layer of ozone that particularly blocks some of the UV sunlight, and the troposphere contains the weather or living organisms. It excludes the air and altitude and increases altitude. Okay. Thermal inversions are the worst air bubble pollution tends in occur thermal inversions areas where as normal troposphere temperatures patterns reverse. Normally, air becomes cooler as we move up in the troposphere, as you see in the picture given below. During a thermal emission, the pattern of is reversed, and what is air pollution? Most common forms and how they're regulated. In 1948, a steel town in Pennsylvania called Donora experienced a 5-day thermal emission. The smoke containing fluoride, sulfur, and other pollutants released by the coal-burning steel and zinc plants sinked in thousands. So, in 1952, London experienced an exceptionally cold winter, forcing people to burn a lot of coal to keep their homes warm, released a lot of sulfur dioxide and particulate. A thermal invasion lasting 4 days caused uh, pollution levels build the toxic levels, killing over 4,000 people. And as you see in the chart, the sulfur dioxide, colorless, routine eggs, small, these, these things for trains, sulfur dioxide, and the biggest source of coal burning power plants causes respiratory tract irritation, suffers from sulfuric acid when it reacts with the water in the atmosphere. Nitrogen oxides, NOx, reddish brown, sharp, sweet smell. Biggest sources are automobiles and identification of fertilizers. Cause burning, swelling of respiratory form, nitric acid, and smoke when it mixes with the gas. And large tunnels have ventilation swarms to prevent the buildup of carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide during traffic periods. Human hair. PM10 particles are 10 microns in diameter will emit in the upper respiratory tract, particular as 2.5 microns in diameter and can reach the deepest part of the lungs, as you see in the picture. Ground level ozone, colorless gas, a secondary pollutant, uh, and violet organic compounds highly reactive with living tissues. In 1919, the Clean Air Act was amended several additions to cover issues that were still not being addressed: acid rain, urban smoke, ozone depletion, etc. etc. And in the acid precipitation mostly affects the northeast due to the amount of industry, dense population, and prevailing winds, and it has improved significantly since 1919. Photochemical smoke is a mixture of secondary pollutants that forms on sunny days from nitrogen oxides and violates organic compounds. And the Clean Air Act requires all industry to cut sulfur dioxide emissions in half by requiring the use of scrubber system that passes pollution through the liquid spray or solid limestone to absorb particulates, sulfur dioxide and other pollutants. The sulfur cap to trade program where companies can purchase credit from others. Stacks must be 500 feet to each above potential thermal emissions. Many power plants have switched from coal to natural gas, which only produces carbon dioxide. And this is all about air pollution. Thank you so much, Allah Hafiz.